Good afternoon, friends. Let's start Petitjohn's reagent, that is oxidizing agent for the aldehyde for the alcohol, and alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde and ketone. So it is specially the primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde and secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. So this Petitjohn's reagent is silver carbonate in selenite. So selenite is a silica material which is used as in the reagent, in the Petitjohn's reagent. It is Ag twice CO3 and selenite. So this is the Petitjohn's reagent which is used for the oxidation of alcohol to aldehyde and ketone. So let's see primary alcohol RCH2OH by using AgCO3 and selenite. It oxidizes this primary alcohol to aldehyde and not to the carboxylic acid. Then secondary alcohol ROHCH R dash. This secondary alcohol also Ag2 CO3 selenite. This also oxidized to ketone RC double bond O R dash. Now this Petitjohn's reagent is a mild oxidizing agent and it oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone. Now how this Petitjohn's reagent is prepared? This reagent is prepared from silver nitrate and sodium carbonate. Silver nitrate and sodium carbonate use the silver carbonate. Okay. Let's see the mechanism of the conversion of alcohol to aldehyde or secondary alcohol to ketone. Now this selenite is inorganic material, mostly it is SiO2, and this silver carbonate is also a solid material which providing the surface area for the alcohol. So suppose this is RCH2OH and this is the surface area of the selenite, and in that we are adding silver carbonate, means Ag plus O minus C O minus CO3 carbonate Ag2CO3. Now this oxygen lone pair donate one electron or silver accept one electron from the oxygen, and this bonding single electron is accepted by, okay, it is a one electron transfer. So one electron transfer to Ag plus. Now one electron from this bond is shifting here and one electron from the lone pair is shifting here to form the double bond between carbon and oxygen. Now see here what happened. It gives RC double bond OH as the lone pair are involved, one in the donation, one electron is donated to silver plus and one electron in the double bond, that is pi bond formation, and one H remain on the carbon. Now this become H plus, as it donates its electron it become H plus. Now here on this surface there is Ag in zero oxidation state and it gain electron, again another silver again in its zero oxidation state, and there is CO minus O minus double bond O, okay, CO3. Now this CO3 takes H plus, O minus takes the H plus, again this O minus takes proton, it become HOH. So it takes the proton RC double bond O H plus H, and here on that surface now twice Ag in zero oxidation state. Now this carbonate takes the proton, it forms HO C double bond O, O minus. Now this oxygen negative charge shifting here, loss of CO2, this O minus, and this O minus take the proton and the lone pair of oxygen is retained. Therefore, there is formation of RC double bond OH. Now lone pair of oxygen is retained. Now this H and this OH, it is H2O plus loss of C double bond O, that is CO2. So there is formation of aldehyde take place by using this Petitjon's reagents. Means the primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde, and similarly if we take instead of H R group, then it is a ketone, and similarly here is R and lastly finally R, it gives ketone. Means secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone by using this Petitjon's reagent. Okay, let's see more examples. Now this is the general example and this is the mechanism for the formation of aldehydes from the primary alcohol. Okay, let's see more examples. OH, cyclohexanol on oxidation by Ag2CO3 and silyte, it gives cyclohexanol. So secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. Now in presence of tertiary alcohol, only the secondary alcohol get oxidized. In presence of tertiary alcohol, the secondary alcohol, that is OH group, is oxidized. Ag2O CO3 silyte, it gives C double bond O. This OH remain as it is. Means secondary alcohol in presence of tertiary alcohol undergo oxidation by Petitjon's reagent to give the carbonyl compound, that is ketone. Now next example, OHO, lactol. This lactol get oxidized to lactone. Lactol get oxidized to lactone by using Petitjon's reagent. Okay. Now this lactone is obtained from the symmetric alcohol. The lactone is obtained from the symmetric alcohol, in which in the symmetrical alcohol only one hydroxyl group is oxidized to carbonyl compounds. See here, for example, C double bond, OH, OH. Now this is the symmetrical diol structures. Now by using this Petitjon's reagent, only one hydroxyl group, one alcohol is oxidized, and another alcohol group, hydroxyl group, remain as it is. Means it is mild reagent, and mildness of the reagent is selective only for the oxidation of one hydroxyl group. When there is a two hydroxyl group in symmetrical alcohol, the only one hydroxyl group get oxidized and to form the carbonyl compounds. Okay, next. The phenol undergo oxidation to form the quinone. Such type of phenol undergo oxidation by Ag2CO3 and silyte, that is Petitjon's reagent. Now this phenol 2,4,2,6 dimethyl phenol on oxidation it gives quinone, and coupled this quinone to form the quinone compound coupled to one another to form the quinone. So here such type of phenol by mild oxidizing agent, that is by using the silver carbonate and salide, that is Petitjones reagent, oxidizes this. Then again tertiary propylyl alcohol is also oxidized to ketone. Tertiary propylyl alcohol oxidized to ketone by fragmentation of alkyne, by fragmentation of alkyne. Let's see the example of such a type. C triple bond C H, and here is OH. Now this is a tertiary propylyl alcohol which on oxidation with Petitjones reagent, there is fragmentation of this carbon bond, and there is formation of ketone and alkyne, C double bond O H, C triple bond C H. Now here is this tertiary propylyl alcohol get oxidized to the carbonyl compounds with fragmentation of the alkyne. Okay, this is the Petitjones reagent for the oxidation. Now let's see next oxidizing agent, that is PCC. PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, chromium, chlorine, O minus, and H plus. Pyridinium chlorochromate, this is the PCC oxidizing agent, and this oxidizing agent oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone. So this is the mild oxidizing agent and selective oxidizing agent for the oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. Let's see the mechanism for the reaction. Let's see general reactions. RCH2OH by PCC, it get oxidized to aldehyde. Now this alcohol RCH2OH, the lone pair from the Cl, C double bond O minus, N plus H. This lone pair attack on chromium, it become O minus. This is the mechanism for the reactions. Now this lone pair attack, again this O minus takes the proton, we can write as RCH2O CrOH. Now this O minus takes the proton, then there is a C, okay, O minus, one is OH, one C double bond O, and there is one Cl. Okay, NH pyridinium plus. Now this O minus shifting here, loss of Cl minus. So loss of Cl minus, RCH we write as CH2, O Cr double bond O OH. Now this Cl minus abstract the proton, there is generation of pyridine, and this pyridine, the lone pair of pyridine is written, this lone pair takes the proton. Now this bonding shifting here, formation of C double bond O and OH, loss of Cl minus. Okay, so there is O minus, RC double bond OH plus, again there is NH plus pyridinium ion plus O minus takes the proton from this, or again there is SCl molecule is present, so here is Cl minus, and this from the Cl H plus is taken by this O minus, there is formation of OH Cr double bond OH. So this is the mechanism for the primary alcohol to aldehyde by using PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Now let's see here once more time. The alcohol lone pair attack on chromium, there is O minus, this O minus takes the proton, so it becomes OH. Now this O minus reverse, there is loss of Cl minus, Cl minus takes the proton from the pyridinium, it is HCl. Now this pyridine takes the proton, it forms again pyridinium salt, then there is migration of this single bond here to formation of C double bond O, and this migrate on chromium, O minus takes the proton from H, and there is again Cl minus. So formation of aldehydes, pyridinium chloride and this chromic acid. Okay, so this is the mechanism for the PCC. Now PCC is a mild oxidizing agent. It oxidizes primary alcohol to only aldehyde, and if we take here instead of H R group, it is a secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol get oxidized to, here is again R ketone. Okay, let's see more examples of this oxidation. Now this is oxidized DCM dichloromethane to C double bond O and H, C double bond O PH, means secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. Then tertiary butyl silyl OH. Now this is again primary alcohol by PCC, it is oxidized to aldehyde. Primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde by using pyridinium chlorochromate. Then the next reactions for the PCC. CH2OH benzyl alcohol, PCC in DCM, that is non-polar solvent. DCM is a non-polar solvent. It gives benzaldehyde. So benzyl alcohol on oxidation by PCC gives benzaldehyde. Okay. In non-polar solvent, if the same oxidation is carried out in polar solvent in the DMF, then this benzyl alcohol by using PCC get oxidized to benzoic acid. COOH. PCC and DMF, polar solvent. If the DMF, dimethyl formoamide solvent, is used as a polar solvent, then the alcohol get oxidized to carboxylic acid. Primary alcohol get oxidized to carboxylic acids. Okay, we will stop here. I think you get it, both the fetizones and PCC oxidation. Thank you.